How to create repository on GitHub. Now in order to create repository on GitHub, just simply open any of the browser or the GitHub application. And after opening the browser, search for GitHub in there, then open this first link of github.com virtual API in the top. And after opening that, log into your GitHub account. Then you will get to see the create repository option directly from this homepage. Otherwise, if you cannot see it here, you will see this plus button in the upper side of your screen. Tap to this plus button and you will see two options in order to create a repository. The first one is new repository and the second one is import repository. You can use any of these options. For now, let's use new repository. And after tapping in there, you can choose general configuration options from here. Just simply select the owner of the repository, then give the repository a name, then give it a description. Then you can choose the visibility of your repository. Then you can enable this toggle for add readme if you want to add it, or you can select to add .getIgnored from here. You can pick so many options in this page. Just simply select your desired option, and you can also add a license from here. And after selecting all of these options in here and customizing your repository, you can just simply tap into this create repository option and your repository will be created on GitHub. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.